Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DKiRasoi. Today I'm sharing my favorite sabji, green beans and paneer. So let's go and get started. In a pan I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then once the oil was nice and hot I added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once that was nice and cooked, I added 2 green chilies finely chopped and 3 to 4 curry leaves also finely chopped as well. Once that was done, I added one small onion finely chopped. And here's the tip I want to share. I learned it from my mother-in-law that if you want to get the process of cooking onion little faster, you can add a pinch of salt, not a lot, a pinch of salt, just to get the process of cooking onion little faster. And yeah, that it took me a little while, and once that was done I added two whole tomatoes finely chopped again, just to get the process of cooking little faster. So once the onions and tomatoes are getting cooked, like I stir up for 10 to 15 seconds, then I am going to add all the spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, red chili powder, cumin and coriander powder, all 1 teaspoon, and then garam masala I used 2 tablespoons, and then I added little bit of water just so that masalas and spices are not sticking to the pan. And then after that I'm just going to mix all the spices together, nicely blend in, and then going to cover it for at least 1 to 2 minutes. So once to get it nicely cooked from inside. After 2 minutes, and it's on a slow flame, so make sure it's on slow. You're not doing it on a high flame, do it on a slow flame. Then once that is done, I'm going to add some green beans. As you can see, it's so beautiful colors. You can see red and green. And now I'm going to add some salt as per your taste. Please make sure you are adding salt as per your taste. I added like around 1.5 tablespoons. So sorry, 1 tablespoon. So that was it. And then once let the green beans get cooked. After 2 minutes, I started stirring up again so that. Let's go add that yummy paneer. I have used around 100 grams of paneer cut into small pieces. Look at that beautiful color, green, white, red. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious and so colorful. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook on a medium flame for at least one minute, and then I'm going to stir it and nicely mix it. Make sure it's not sticking to the pan. If it's doing that, then I would add a little bit of water just to make sure that it's not getting burnt. And then now I'm going to cover it again for at least 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Remember, on a low flame I'm going to cook it for last 2 to 3 minutes, and it's done. As you can see, it's looking amazing. Now I'm going to add my favorite thing, which is my cilantro. I love adding cilantro in my food. It's just the aroma and the taste. Oh my goodness, it's so delicious. It's mouth watering right now. So I'm going to go ahead and serve it, and that's it. My food is ready. I'm going to start plating, and I have used for carbs I'm taking my chapati, for proteins I'm taking my egg, and here comes my healthy fat and my veggies at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.